Hello students, welcome again to the online classes class 10 science. Now we have reached the numerical section of lengths. Very important, the length formula. So you have to understand it in first tense, very easy, as we have did the mirror, numericals on mirrors. So it is also very easy. So what you have to understand कि in paper the question is asked on the basis of lenses or mirrors, that means numericals on the basis of lens formula and mirror formula. Very important कि 3 marks 5 marks का maximum ये पूछा जाता है. So you have to understand it in first instance. Okay, very easy. How to solve these? Let's suppose the question is an object is placed 50 centimeters from lens. एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो लेंस के 50 सेंटीमीटर दूर पर रखा गया. अब जैसे ही हमने ये वर्डिंग पढ़ी, हमको ये समझ जाना है कि लेंस, द टाइप ऑफ लेंस इज नॉट गिवन, एंड एज वी नो दैट कि द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज प्लेस्ड टुवर्ड द लेफ्ट ऑफ द लेंस. लेंस के लेफ्ट में रखा होता है. द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज विल बी ऑलवेज नेगेटिव बिकॉज एज इट इज प्लेस्ड टुवर्ड द लेफ्ट ऑफ द लेंस. चाहे वो कॉनकेव में लेंस हो चाहे वो convex lens, so it is always towards the left of the lens. Okay, and what they are saying produces a virtual image. Now virtual image, a virtual image is always erect. We know that as we have did the ray diagrams, there we got that the virtual image is always formed towards the left. वो भी left में बनती है, as well as it is always erect. वो ऑलवेज क्या होती है, इरेक्ट होती है. देन यू कैन से द हाइट ऑफ द इमेज विल ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. इफ ये हमारे माइंड में सेटअप होना चाहिए. नाउ एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर, दैट मीन्स इमेज डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो गिवन, एंड हियर कैन सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ लेंस इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. एज आई टोल्ड कि वर्चुअल इमेज ऑलवेज कहां बनती है, एज वी हैव डिड द रे डायग्राम्स, वहां पर हमने देखा कि जो भी वर्चुअल इमेज बन रही थी वो टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट ऑफ द लेंस बन रही थी, एज वेल एज वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर बन रही थी. नीचे तो इन्वर्टेड वाली लेंस इमेज बनती है. नाउ इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन, हमने यहां से पता कर लिया, इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ लेंस, लेंस के आगे बन रही है. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, कैलकुलेट द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ लेंस एंड मैग्निफिकेशन प्रोड्यूस्ड. दैट मीन्स टू थिंग्स वी हैव टू फाइंड. फोकल लेंथ स्टैंड फॉर एफ and magnification stands for m. Okay, now first we will write the given things. Given, what is given? Object distance, it is given 50 centimeter. As I told earlier as well कि in numericals they never give कि it is minus or positive. That means it is negative or positive. We consider that it is negative as it is placed towards the left of the mirror. हम उसको कंसिडर करते हैं कि वो लेफ्ट में है तो वो क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. Now what is given as well, image distance. Image distance also given, that is 10 centimeter. That means negative of 10 as it is forming towards the left of the mirror. Okay, because it is given in front of a lens, sorry, in front of lens. Okay, now what we have to find, the focal length we have to find. Here you can say it is u, it is v, and f we have to find. Then you will write by using mirror lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now place the values. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v, my negative of 10 minus negative of 50. Okay, this applies. 1 by f is equal to, first we will change the sign, negative of 1 by 10. This negative and this negative will become positive of 1/50. Okay, very easy. Now we will take LCM. If any of you find problem in taking the LCM, तो you can do directly as well. अब डायरेक्टली कैसे करते हैं? I am telling. डिनोमिनेटर में ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, 10 into 50, एंड न्यूमरेटर्स, इसका डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ इसके न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसका डिनोमिनेटर इसके न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 50 1 जा -50 प्लस 10 1 जा 10. Okay, now what will be there? -50 minus plus minus, what we will do? Minus, and 50 minus 10, it will be 40. Sign will be of greater digit. जो भी बड़ा होगा, दोनों ग्रेटर नंबर, जो भी दोनों में से ग्रेटर होगा, उसका क्या लगेगा? साइन लगेगा. The 50 is greater, so it will be negative of 40 upon 10 50 या 500. The answer will be in centimeter because 10 it is given in centimeter, 50 it is also given in centimeter. 0 can be cancelled by 0. This implies 1 by focal length is equal to -4 upon 50. That means cancelling by 2. -2 by 25. That means focal length is equal to, अब हमने इसको ऊपर ले आए हैं तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा? We have reciprocal it, so it will also be reciprocal. So it will become 25 by 2. That is of negative. That means when you will cancel it by 2, so it will become 12.5 centimeter, and it is of negative. And I told earlier as well, the focal length in the case of concave mirror, the focal length is always negative. Why focal length of concave mirror is negative? Because it have a virtual focus. अब उसका जो फोकस है वो वर्चुअल होता है, बिकॉज वहां से एक्चुअल में लाइट रेज नहीं आ रही थी. वी सपोज कि वहां से वो निकल रही है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द फोकल लेंथ, इट इज इन द केस ऑफ कॉनकेव मिरर, it is always negative. So here what we conclude from here, कि the lens is concave. The lens is concave. Okay. Now magnification. Now magnification, very important कि the image is magnified or diminished. This we have to tell कि the object is magnified or diminished. Now magnification has a formula, V upon U or HI upon HO. So here you can see कि we can't use this formula as height of image is not given and height of object is also not given. So we will use this formula because we have image distance, we have object distance. So M is equal to, what is V? Minus of 10, and what is U? Minus of 50. Okay. Now 0 can be cancelled by 0, negative can be cancelled by negative, 1 by 5. That means on dividing what you will get, and the centimeter is also cancelled. Okay. So what we will get? 0.2. The magnification is coming 0.2. That means magnification is coming less than that of 1. If magnification is coming less than that of 1, that means it is diminished. It is diminished. Okay. If it is greater than 1, if it is coming greater than 1, that means it will be known as magnified. Okay. And positive sign it is having. Positive sign denotes कि it is forming above the principal axis. Magnification में बहुत सारी चीज बता रहा है. First, though it is less than that of 1, ये 1 से छोटी है, 0.2 is less than that of 1, 1 से कम है, तो the image will be diminished and it is also positive. ये positive भी आ रहा है. Positive denotes कि it is forming above the principal axis. Okay, that means it is virtual and it is also given virtual. Okay. Now moving on to the second example, the question is, if an object of 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. Find the position, nature and height of the image. Three things we have to find. Position. For finding position, what we have to find? We have to find V. Okay. And for nature, we have to find magnification. Nature stands for magnified, real, inverted. For that, we have to find magnification. And height of the image, that means HI, we have to find. These three things we have to find. So first we will find, because for finding magnification we need V, or you can say ki HI as well. And for HI we need M. So first of all we will find V. Okay, that means image distance we will find. Now first, what is given? First, an object of height of object, it is given 7 centimeter. Later we will use this for finding the height of the image. Placed at a distance of 12 centimeter, that means object distance is given, U is given. Okay, an object of 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens. Lens, the type of lens is also given. Of focal length 8 centimeter, जिसकी focal length क्या है? 8 centimeter. Okay, so first of all, but we will write the object distance. Object distance is, it is given, that is U. It is 12, and we know that the object is always placed in front of lens, so it is always negative of 12 centimeter. Focal length it is given. Focal length it is given. Focal length, that is F. It is 8 centimeter. And the focal length in the case of convex lens, it is always positive. Why it is positive? Because the light rays are actually meeting at this point, and the distance between the optical center to the focus, it is known as focal length. So it is always positive. Okay. Now what we have to find? Image distance, that is V. We have to find. Very, very easy. Okay. You have to go through the concept of everything. Now, using mirror formula, first of all we will find the image distance, because for magnification we need V. Okay, and for height of image we need N. Magnification निकालने के लिए हमें position of the image चाहिए, because magnification has a formula V upon U. Okay, जब हमारे magnification आ जाएगी, then we will find the HI, because magnification is equal to HI upon HO. Okay, that means all are interrelated to each other. So first of all we will find the position of the image using lens formula. Using lens formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, now put the values. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by negative of 12. Now first of all, changing of sign. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by V, minus will become positive of 1 by 12. Okay. Now इसकी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए इस पूरे को हम शिफ्ट करा देते हैं दिस साइड. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 8. When this 1 by 12 go there, it will become negative of 1 by 12. Okay. Now what we will have? We will have this. Now take LCM. 1 by V is equal to 12 and 8. 12 into 8. Okay. नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो ये यहां मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ये वाला यहां मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 12 1 जा 12 minus 8 1 जा 8. So what we will have? 4 upon 12 8 जा 96. Okay. Now 4 cancelling by 4. So we will have 1 by 24. That means it is 1 by V. So V equals to positive of 24 centimeter. Now V is coming positive of 24 centimeter. That means it is towards the right side of the lens. Positive sign denotes because image distance is coming in positive. If image distance is coming in positive, that means it is towards the right side of the lens. Very, very easy. The positive aa ja rahi hai, so it is towards the right side of the lens. Now we have got position. Okay, so that means then what you will write? That means the image is formed at from the 24 centimeter from the convex lens, and it is onto the right side of the lens. Okay, now then we find the nature of the image. So for nature of the image, we will use the magnification formula, because for nature what we have to tell, in nature what we have to tell, the size, that means the size as well as the image is real, inverted, virtual or erect. This we have to tell. So for that we will use the magnification formula. Magnification is equal to V upon U. V, it is 24 centimeter, and U, it is negative of 12 centimeter. Okay. Now centimeter can be cancelled by centimeter. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja. The magnification is coming negative of 2. Okay. It is magnification. Now magnification is telling two things. First, negative sign denotes कि it is real and inverted. Magnification हमें दो चीज बता रहा है. The negative sign denotes कि it is real and inverted. Real and inverted, why? Because negative sign is always when it is measured perpendicularly up or down. So it is negative coming, it is coming in negative, that means it is forming below the principal axis. So it is always real and inverted. जो भी image below the principal axis बनती है वो real और inverted होती है. Now one more thing it is telling, that is it is coming 2. Magnification is coming 2. Negative ने तो हमें real और inverted बता दिया. Now what 2 is telling? 2 is telling कि it is 2 times magnified. It is 2 times magnified. So in nature, what we will write? In nature, we will write the image, the forming is real and inverted and magnified. 2 times magnified you can write, or magnified. Okay. Only we can write magnified as well. So we need this and this. Okay. Now we have the magnification as well. Magnification negative of 2. Okay. Now magnification has another formula. Now we will find the third one. That means height of the image. Okay. And magnification has another formula, that is HI upon HO. We have HO. We have HO, that is 7 centimeter above the principal axis. The positive sign denotes it is above the principal axis. Now HO we are having, magnification we are having. Now we will put the values. This implies negative of 2 is equal to HI upon HO is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now from here we can find the height of the image, and they have asked for this. Now 7 into negative of 2 centimeter is equal to HI. That means HI is equal to negative of 14 centimeter. The height of image is negative of 14 centimeter. Here you can see as well the height of image is coming in negative. जब नेगेटिव आ रही है तो दैट मीन्स वो कहां पे बन रही है? बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ओके.